Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my Lawn Fawn haul for the June mini release. So I just literally got my package in the mail right now. It came like 10 minutes ago. So I just pulled everything out of the bag and I'm super excited to show you what I've got and what I'll be working with soon. Just a little disclaimer, I am on the Lawn Fanatics design team and I also am a monthly YouTube contributor for the Lawn Fawn channel. So they did send me a couple of products ahead of time to work with for the new release so that I could start to inspire you guys with some projects. So a couple of those I already had and are repackaged, but all the rest I purchased myself, and those are what just came today. I'm going to set everything off to the side and we'll go through everything one by one. First thing I got was the little freebie that they always sent you when you order from Lawn Fawn directly, with a little note from somebody on the team. Mine is from Ivy, so thank you so much. And I got a You Are Great, which is really cute. I don't think I've had that one before, so super fun. The next thing I got was the free with 60 stamp set. So if you spent $60 or more, this was automatically added to your cart, and it is called Simply Celebrate Pets. I think this is such a great value considering that it was free. All you had to do was spend $60, and like that's hard with Lawn Fawn, right? But there are so many things packed into this tiny stamp set. So you've got this whole line of adorable critters that you can add to a card. You've got 3 different speech bubbles and so many sentiments. Let's see, there's like 10, 11, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, so 11 sentiments, and then the little note of song that you could add for like the bird or whatever. Such a good deal. I can't believe that they packed so much into this little freebie. So if you missed it, I'm not sure that this is still available. The window might be closed on that right now. You'll have to go on the website and check. It should be like in a banner at the top of the website if it is still available. But if not, they usually do re-release these at a later date. So if this is something you really want to get your hands on and you missed your opportunity, just stay tuned. In a couple of months, you might see it pop up for sale on the Lawn Fawn store. Next thing I got was the new mini possum birthday, which I really love. I'm so happy about the new dog sets. You've already seen me show 2 videos on my channel using the Yappy birthday, which I'll get to in just a minute. But this will go so well along with those, and I think it's super cute with the little dog popping out of the present with the little ribbons. And then you've got 4, 5, 6 sentiments. So I forgot, have a possum birthday, and then you've got doggone it, rough, yippee, and the little music note as well. So lots packed into there, and then I did get the matching dies as well. Then I also got the new Tiny Tags Sayings Fruit with all the little fruit sentiments. I did not get the Tiny Tags, the actual dies of the fruit this time, but I have some of the other like full-size die sets of the fruit. I have the zesty lemons, I have the apples. So I thought this would go really well with that. I have, the strawberry set, the berry special day or whatever that one's called. So those go with that. And I recently created a card that I can't show you yet because it's coming up for a Lawn Fanatics challenge. But one of these sentiments I would have really liked to have when I was creating that card. So yeah, I just wanted to grab this one because there's lots of different fruit stamp sets or dies that I think that this would go really well with. And then of course you've got the happy birthday and the thanks and the to from love. So I thought that would just be a fun one to have, and it was really inexpensive because it's one of the mini sets. I also got 2 die sets alone. I got the Party Hats one I already had the stamp set because it was a free with 60 a couple of releases ago, but it didn't have any matching dies, so I wanted to grab those to go along with that because I think that's a really versatile set to have. And then I also recently was trying to create a card and realized that I did not have the dies to match the Make Lemonade stamp set. So I wanted to go ahead and grab those because, like I said, these minis are super inexpensive and it just saves you so much time to have the dies to cut things out rather than trying to trim them all out by yourself. So next we're going to go into some of the half-size sets. I picked up the Car Critters Road Trip add-on. So this one goes really well with the Car Critters and the Christmas Car Critters stamp set. So we've got 4 more critters. We've got little foxes, and then there's a little bear with sunglasses, and then we've got different little things that you can add to the roof of your car, and a couple of more sentiments and some of the little license plate sentiments as well, which is really fun. So I wanted to grab that because that just makes that original Car Critters stamp set so much more versatile to have these little add-ons that make it even more usable for more occasions. So I got that one. And then I also got the Simply Celebrate More Critters add-on. We've got all of these fun little sentiments that go with the Simply Celebrate stamp sets, that whole line of stamp sets, which I'll get to another one in just a minute, but there's also, I already have at least one of those. I can't remember if there's already 2 out or just one, but I know I have at least one. So it'll be nice to have more sentiments that go with different critters that you can pop into those little speech bubbles or just use on a card on its own. I mean, like the Hedgehogs for You, there is that little mini Hedgehogs stamp set with the 2 little hedgehogs that came out years ago. So that would go with that. There's lots of sentiments in here that would go with stamp sets you already have. Even if you don't have the Simply Celebrate line, I think this is a good one. Like I Kid You Not could go with the goat set. I Love You Tons can go with any of the elephant sets. The Toucan can go with Toucan Do It. There's just lots of Caught a Bug can go with A Bug Deal. There's a whole bunch that will work with all kinds of stuff. So going along with that, I did also pick up the Simply Celebrate More Critters. This one is really fun because you've got such a wide variety. We've got woodland critters, we've got bugs, we've got farm critters, jungle critters, and ocean critters. So super fun. I have an idea for this stamp set that I have not had a chance to make into a card yet, but I think that is going to be coming up soon because I'm really excited to play with this one. I think it's just a really, really fun set, very unique and creative, and these critters are just so darn cute, honestly. So next we'll go into the stamp sets that you already know I have because I've created 2 cards with them already, and that is the Yappy Birthday add-on and Yappy Birthday. I said this in my videos, but I am so excited for more dogs in the Lawn Fawn lineup. I am such a dog lover, and I love these stamp sets so much. Like, honestly, I just want to keep creating with these 2 sets, even though everything else is super adorable. So the 2 cards that I've created so far are this one here, which features both sets. We've got the little dog from the add-on, and then we've got the little dog in the doghouse from the regular set. Some different accessories mixed from both. So that one I created. This one was on the Lawn Fawn YouTube channel for June, and then also on my own channel. And then I also have this one, which is my more recent video on my own channel, which combines images from both sets, plus a few other beachy stamp sets from previous releases that I just wanted to create a nice summery birthday card, and I think it turned out pretty cute. So Loving these stamp sets. I think they're both so fun, and like I said, I just can't wait to play with them even more. Speaking of a beachy theme, I also got the new How You Bean seashell add-on. I just thought these seashells were super fun. They haven't done a video with this. That'll be coming later, I believe in July. But as soon as I saw it, I thought this is going to be a fun one to play with and just color in different ways. I love collecting seashells from my travels. My husband and I both have like jars of seashells in our house. We have one that we put in together, and then he has one on his desk. I have little seashells scattered all over my windowsill right here in my craft room. I just really love seashells, so I thought that would be a fun one to have. And I also got the new add-on for the Build-A-House. I think it's called Build-A-House Beach add-on or something like that. I haven't labeled this one yet. I need to label it. But this one will take that previous Build-A-House die and turn it into like a beach house with some different little fun accessories, a different door, different windows, different awnings, and surfboard, all kinds of stuff. A little anchor, flag, what is that? A little life preserver. I think that's a sand dune. So yeah, really, really fun. And then I also got the On the Road, which goes great with the Car Critters and the Car Critters add-ons. So that one will create a fun little road to help set your scene for those car cards. And I got the Cheery Cherries dies to go along with all of my other fruit dies that I have so far, and with those sentiments that I picked up. I just thought that that would be really fun, and I absolutely love cherries. It's just about cherry picking season. It should be hopefully this weekend. I'm waiting for the announcement from the place that we go, but usually the weekend of before July 4th is when we go cherry picking. So very excited for that, and I thought it would be fun to create some cards with these dies as well. And then I also grabbed the one stencil. It's the Slimline Grassy stencil. I don't have any of the grass stencils from Lawn Fawn yet, so I thought that it would be nice to have the Slimline one because I can use it for Slimline cards, but I can also use it for standard size cards or mini Slimline or whatever. It's better to have too long than too short, right? So I thought I would go ahead and grab that. And then the final thing I got is the Fruit Salad 6x6 Petite Paper Pack. I absolutely love, love, love this one. I think it's so much fun. You've got a gingham and then a fruit for each color. So we've got a beige and then the bananas. We've got blue and then blueberries. I should flip from the front because I've already taken some out of the back. Let me see if I can find that. There we go. We'll start at the front. So we've got the beige and the bananas. There's the blue gingham and the blueberries, the green gingham and pears, yellow gingham and lemons, orange gingham and oranges, and the pink gingham and the watermelon, which is super fun. So I've already used some of these. I've used these two here, both of the gingham prints, and then I've also used one of the fruit prints on the card that I can't show you just yet, but it will be coming very, very soon on my channel, so stay tuned. In fact, I think it might be my next video up after this one. So yeah, that was everything that I picked up from the Lawn Fawn June release. For a mini release, it was actually pretty packed full of goodies. I was very, very excited about a lot of these things, and I didn't even get everything, so there's a lot more that I could have got, but you know, I have to stay on budget. I did want to mention to you guys that I am an affiliate with Lawn Fawn, so if you ever want to support my channel by purchasing anything from Lawn Fawn, if any of my videos inspire you to pick up something for yourself, if you would use the links down in the description bar below my videos. I actually earn a very small commission from that, but all of those little commissions add up, and I actually haven't had any in months and months. So long that I'm wondering if something has gone wrong, because usually I at least get like one or two, and this whole year I've barely gotten any, and I haven't had any, I think, since April. So, yeah, I don't know if that's something that you guys want to do. It's no extra cost to you, but it does really help support my channel and enable me to keep purchasing product so that I can keep putting out these videos for you guys. So, yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, yeah, feel free to use those links down below, and I would really appreciate it. Okay, so that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything that I picked up that you're excited to see me use in an upcoming video, and maybe I can bump it up the list. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another one. Take care. Bye-bye.